What's wrong?
Dude, it fucking stinks. Hand me the tape measure. Dude, it's fucking. Give me the tape measure. Stop, don't waft it at me.
Here.
No, I need a tape measure, not that. Fucking gross.
Here.
Give me the tape measure. I don't need this. Oh, it burns. It's in my fucking eyes.
Here.
No, I need a tape measure.
All right. Here you go. Here.
Oh, I'm such a dick. Oh, fuck, dude.
How's it going back?
Not great. Fucking stinks, man. Stuck. Oh. Oh, fuck, dude.
What happened?
Fucking shit yourself. Fucking old man shits his pants. You need a diaper. Fucking gross.